If you want to go viral on TikTok or YouTube and make monthly income through these platforms, watch this video till the end. The niche I'm about to show you today is one of the easiest niches to go viral on TikTok or YouTube. This niche is not competitive because a lot of people don't know how to make videos for this niche. Don't worry, today I will share the step-by-step method of making videos for this niche. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Before going too deep, let me show you an example TikTok page for this niche. I hope you have seen videos like these at least once. A lot of people think that these chat stories are real, but in reality, all of these are made-up stories. Let me show you one of the sample videos I created for this niche.
Dad, I want to marry.
Say sorry.
For what?
Say sorry.
But for what?
First say sorry.
But what's my fault?
You first say sorry.
At least tell me the reason.
First say sorry.
Okay, Dad, I'm sorry.
See, this is a made-up story. And today, I am going to share the step-by-step method of creating this kind of video. So, let's start the process. First, we need to create a story. For example, I'm going to make a story about a cheating wife. If you can think of an idea and create a story based on it, that would be really good. That's the best way to make the story because this story should be natural. If you can't do that, you can use ChatGPT to create a story about this topic. Let me show you how to do that. Go to ChatGPT and explain the story you need to create. For this example, I have asked like this. Create an intense conversation between husband and wife. The conversation is going on text message chat. You can include images also. Keep it simple and natural. Don't use complex words. The story should be about the wife cheating on her husband and the husband catches her. Make the conversation dramatic but simple. Just like this, you can explain the story to ChatGPT. It will create conversation for this story. As you can see, we have the full story here. If you want, you can add new dialogues and new things to this conversation. I will go with this script. Alright, our story is ready. Now let's create the actual video. To make the video, you can download background videos, create fake conversations, generate voiceovers, and then edit them with a video editor. It's really a laborious and time-consuming process. But today, I am going to introduce an AI tool that can create this kind of video within a few clicks. Yes, just a few clicks. Let's move forward. Introduce Vsub, an AI-powered video generator tool. It can generate catchy and engaging videos, Reddit story videos, animated videos, and more in just a few minutes. I will put the tool's link in the description. Alright, after coming to the Vsub homepage, create an account with your Google or email account. After creating an account successfully, your interface will be like this one. Okay, now let's have a look at the features provided by Vsub. First, you can create automatic captions for your video in more than 50 languages. Just select the video language and then upload your video. Vsub will take care of the rest. Next, with the Reddit story feature, you can convert a Reddit post to a video. You have to just enter the video length, language, and the Reddit post link, and Vsub will create an engaging video for you with captivating visuals, voiceover, and caption. We already made a video on it. You can watch it from the I button. Alright, our next feature is AI video. With this tool, you can create high-quality videos in cinematic, 3D animation, and anime style. After that, the fake text. Today we will use this feature. You will find some other features also. Okay, let's start the video creation. This is the fake text story video creation page. Now we have to import the conversation. You can use the sample conversation also. But I will create the video with ChatGPT generated conversation. Click on the import button from here. Now we have to upload the conversion text in a CSV file or CSV text format. You will find a sample conversation file here. And this is the conversation file format. Now simply copy the conversation text line by line and paste them in ascending order. Once the process is done, save the CSV file and then upload it on Vsub. And you can see our conversation is now here. If you want to add some more dialogue, then click on the Add Right or Add Left button from here. Add right for the husband's text and add left for the wife's text. You can add emojis also. Not only text, you can add images to the conversation. To do that, select the person. After that, select the image from here. Then click on the Upload button and upload the desired image. It will make your conversation more interesting. Alright, another important setting in the conversation is that, if you want to emphasize any text, then turn on the emphasize option after the line. Okay, our script or conversation is ready. Now come to the Settings tab. Here we will set the voice actor for both characters. You can see that in Vsub you have accessed the 11 labs. That means we can generate the most realistic voiceovers. Alright, select a voice actor for both of the characters. After selecting the voice actors, we need to give a name to the second character, means who will receive the text. In my case, it will be the wife's character. After entering the name, you can add a profile picture. Okay, in the end, you have to select a template from here. You can select between iPhone and WhatsApp in both dark and regular mode. Alright, after all is set, hit the continue button. Now Vsub will analyze the text, generate the screenshot, voiceover, and finalize the video. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a preview.
Hey, can we talk?
Sure, what's up?
I found something I need to ask you about.
Okay, what is it?
I saw your text with him.
What text?
Don't play dumb.
That's really amazing. You can see that Vsub generates fake text conversation, adds a background, and also generates voiceover for us. Now to make the video more interesting, you can add sound effects. On the right side of every conversation, you will find sound effects. Just select them when needed. For example, I am adding the message sent sound effects at the first line of conversation. Review all the line and add sound effects if needed. Okay, at the top of the Settings tab, you will find options for customizing the size of the screenshot. Even you can make full screen. Next, if you want to change the background video clip, come to the Video tab from here. You will find the stock free video library here. You can even upload your own video assets. This time I will use a video clip from the library. But I will suggest using your own video clip. Alright, now if you want a background music on your video, come to the Music tab from here. Now select a BGM clip from here or upload it from your computer. Okay, after the BGM setting, come to the Advanced tab. Here you can generate emojis, replace videos, export the subtitles, add overlays, resize the video, and add your brand logo. I explained all of these features in the Reddit story video. If you didn't watch the video, watch it from the I button. Okay, after all is set, hit the download button. Once the render is completed, click on the download button to save the video on your device. Alright, our videos are now saved on our device. Let's have a look at the video.
Hey, can we talk?
Sure, what's up?
I found something I need to ask you about.
Okay, what is it?
I saw your text with him.
What text?
Don't play dumb. I saw the messages between you and Mike.
Oh.
Is there something going on?
Look, it's not what you think.
It seems exactly what I think. You're cheating, aren't you?
We were just talking, I promise.
Talking about what? It seemed way too close for just talk.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean for it to happen.
So you did cheat?
Yes, but it was a mistake. It didn't mean anything.
It meant something to me. How could you do this?
I'm sorry, I was just lonely. Things haven't been the same between us.
That doesn't excuse this. You should have talked to me.
I know, I should have.
This is our fake text. How was it? Let me know in the comments section. Now let's talk about the pricing of this tool. In the monthly packages, there are 3 paid plans including 1 free plan. In the starter plan, you will get 40 video credits and 3,000 AI credits, and you have to pay $19. In the Pro plan, you will get 120 video credits and 8,500 AI credits, and you have to pay $49. In the Premium plan, you will get unlimited video credits and 17,000 AI credits, and you have to pay $99. If you want to buy a lifetime deal, then you have to pay a one-time $299 for the Pro plan. This plan offers you 120 video credits per month, export videos up to 10 minutes, and 8,500 AI credits per month. In the Premium plan, you will able to generate unlimited videos and 17,000 AI credits per month with other features. You have to pay only $599 one-time payment. This offer is for a limited time. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating fake text videos with Vsub AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!